Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to discuss a numerical problem which is based on the SN curve. So friend, this problem has been asked in GATE examination 2006. So we will study this problem. So first of all, let us see what is given to us. So it is given to us the alternating stress acting on the component which is given by 100 megapascal. That is, the alternating stress acting on the component is given to us as 100 megapascal, and the fatigue strength to sustain 10 raised to power 3 cycles is 490 megapascal. That is, the stress corresponding to 10 raised to power 3 cycle is 490 megapascal, and the corrected endurance limit is given to us as 70 megapascal, and we have to estimate the shaft life. So this is the data that is given to us. So I have plotted this data into a tabular form. So let us see what is the data. Let us see that corresponding to 490 megapascal, the number of cycles for failure is 1000, and corresponding to 70 megapascal, that is the endurance limit of the specimen, the number of cycle will be 10 raised to power 6. That we have to know that for corresponding to endurance limit, the number of failure of the cycle is always 10 raised to power 6 cycles. So this is the value of number of cycles corresponding to SE, the endurance limit, and corresponding to 100 megapascal, we have to find out the number of cycles of failure. So first of all, the first step in the solving is to find the log. So we have to take the log of 490 megapascal. So we have taken log of 490 megapascal here, which is coming up to be 2.69, and we have taken log of 70 megapascal, which is coming out to be 1.845, and we have taken the log of this 100 megapascal, which is coming out to be 2, and we have taken the log of the number corresponding cycle of failure also, which is coming out to be 3 in the first case, which is coming out to be 6 in the second case, and which is coming up to be log 10n in the third case. So these cases are corresponding to the particular stress and particular number of cycle, because corresponding to 490 megapascal, the number of cycle of failure is 1000, corresponding to 70 megapascal, the number of cycle of failure is 10 raised to power 6, and corresponding to 100 megapascal, the corresponding cycle of failure is n, and the value of n we have to find out. So let us see how we will calculate the value of n. Now friends, I am going to draw this curve, that is the SN curve here, and the shape of the SN curve is like this, and the value of log 10n is plotted on the x-axis, and the log 10s lies on the y-axis. Now friend, we know that corresponding to the log 10 490, it is 2.69. the value of number of cycle, log 10 of number of cycle is 3. So I am putting these values. So this is the 2.69, and this is corresponding to this 0.3 lie here, and corresponding to 1845, it will lie somewhere here, because it is the endurance limit, so the point will lie here. Okay, and the value of SE is 1.845, this value, and corresponding to 1.845, the value is 6. So I am plotting the value here, and corresponding to log 1000, which is 2, the value of 2 will lie on the log 10 s axis at here. This is the point 2, and corresponding this to this point, we have to find out the value of log 10 n. Okay, log 10 n we have to find out here. So friend, let us see how we will find out this value. So friend, we know that the equation of a straight line can be given in the form y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. Now friend, we know the coordinate of the 2 point, that is, we know the coordinate of the point, this point and this point. The coordinate of this point is 6, I am writing here 6, and 1.845, and the coordinate of second point is 3, 2.69. Okay, so these 2 points are lying here and here, that is, this point is lying here, this point is here, and this point is lying here. Okay friend, so this is a straight line which is denoted by a b. So we have to find the equation of this line, and coordinate of point A and coordinate of the point B are known to us, and the equation of a straight line can be given by this formula. So I will write the equation of the straight line. So y minus y1 y1 is 1.845, and x minus x1 x minus 6. This is our x1 and this is our y1. This is our x2, this is our y2, is equal to y2. How much is y2? Y2 is 2.69 minus y1, that is 1.845, and x2 is 3 and x1 is 6. So the equation of straight line will come out to be y minus 1.845 is equal to x minus 6 into minus 0.7183. Now we have to find out the value of this point. So I am putting the value of y as 2 and we will get the value of this point. So putting the value of y is equal to 2 in this equation, we will get the value of x as, you will calculate yourself. I am writing directly the value of x. The value of x is coming out to be 5.44. Now this value of x will corresponding to this point, that is this point which is log 10n, that is this value log 10n. So I am putting x is equal to log 10n is equal to 5.44, and when we will take anti-log, the value of n will come out to be 10 raised to power 5.44, and the value of this n will come out to be how much? I am calculating here the value of n because space is limited here. So the value of n will come out to be 275422 cycles. Okay, so this is the how much cycle? 275422 cycles. So this is the number of the cycle that we have calculated. And friend, there is another method of finding out the number of cycle, and this question can be solved through another method also. That method I will discuss in the next video. You should watch that video because this method is quite little bit complex. I am telling a method which is very simple, and you have to watch that video which will come after this video. So wait for that video friends, and it will be a very path-breaking video in the lectures, in this lecture series according to the SN curve problem solution. So thank you friend for watching the video. Also friend, you can watch all the video regarding the fluctuating loading condition that I have uploaded on the YouTube, and go through all these videos so that you can boost your concept. So thank you friends.